Hello guys and welcome back! Today on the menu is episode of Bikers vs Animals. We try to make this episode funny, educational and entertaining for you. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like this video. With that being said, let's start with the episode.
Warning.
Oh, got some horses. Oh, he's scared.
Unlike many other countries, in UK it's very often to see horses on the road. This biker did right thing, because horses are afraid of loud sounds.
Didn't have any. Should we turn round? We'll turn round. Okay. Oh. Okay, you alright? You alright? I know, I've seen him going. Okay. Cool, let's carry on.
Luckily, this bear wasn't interested in this biker, and bikers could enjoy the view. As we mentioned in the first clip, horses really don't like loud sounds, and this horse proved it.
Alright, this is super random, but I was just riding and there's a random deer around here somewhere, I think. Where did he go? There he is. There he is. What's up, buddy? Bro, you stupid. What you doing? Man, homie's freaking out. I saw it, dude. Oh, poor thing. He's trying to get over the fence. I'm gonna let him be. Alright, buddy. Have a good night. That was pretty random.
Iguanas are not very dangerous animals, but they should be treated with respect, because they are venomous, even though they have weak venom.
That one's actually a baby.
These guys found injured bird, which they took home and nursed till it healed and was ready to fly again.
What? Holy shnikes. Whoa.
Ó, rapaz! Corre, corre! Cara!
Cachorro desgramado. Rapaz. I feel like I don't really drive like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just almost hit something. God, that scared the f out of me.
Bisons are among the most dangerous animals, but simply if you stay far enough, they will have no reason to attack you. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe!